Hi everyone, it's Queen Bee. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take out your motorcycle battery if it's dead, need to be replaced or need to charge or to store it outside. So let's do this. Be sure to like and subscribe this channel. As you see, I have this motorcycle R15 V2. If you have a different one, the process should be similar. This one has a battery under the rider seat, so I need to remove the rider seat to access the battery. You can check your motorcycle manual to learn the location of your motorcycle battery, and you might have to open some side fairing or none depending on your motorcycle. So to remove the rider seat, first we need to open the pillion seat with the motorcycle ignition key. Then this center fairing part. Now these two screws which holding the rider seat with the 5 mm Allen key. Now it's free to be removed, so just grab the seat from its back, then pull it backward and upward to remove it. That's the battery. First we need to remove this protective belt which holding the battery. Now we see it clearly. To remove it, we need to remove these two connections. Just unscrew these to remove them. And now the battery is free to be removed. And to reassemble everything as before, just repeat the same step in reverse. That's it.